Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. This is for class 4th subject mathematics. I will continue chapter number 2 addition and this is our lecture number 2. Now in this lecture I shall discuss about properties of addition, word problems related to addition and exercise 2B and 2C. Now properties of addition. First property, adding 0. 0 added to a number does not change the value of the number. 0 added to a number does not change the value of the number. अगर हम कोई भी नंबर में 0 ऐड करेंगे so उस नंबर की वैल्यू चेंज नहीं होगी. क्लियर? फॉर एग्जाम्पल 12,345 plus 0 equals the same answer, that is 12,345. Clear? Now second property, adding 1. 1 added to a number gives the successor of the number. 1 added to a number gives the successor of the number. For example, 766 plus 1 equals 767. See, the 767 is the successor of 766. Clear? Now, third property, order in addition. If two numbers are added in any order, their sum remains the same. If two numbers are added in any order, their sum remains the same. For example, 20 plus 41 equals 41 plus 20. Now see, 20 is on first place. See, this 41 is on second. Now I have changed the order. 41 I have written first and then 20 on second. See, 20 plus 41 equals 61 and 41 plus 20 also equals 61. Both are equal. Clear? Now, fourth property, grouping property of addition. If 3 or more numbers are added in different groups, their sum remains the same in all cases. If 3 or more numbers are added in different groups, their sum remains the same in all cases. For example, see, 20 plus 30 plus 10 equals 20 plus 30 plus 10. Now I have changed the order. See, in this 20 plus 30 and here 30 plus 10 in one bracket. See, now I will do addition. But first of all, what we will do? We will solve this bracket. See, 20 plus 30, 50. So write 50 plus 10 equals 20 and 30 plus 10, 40. So write 40 here. Now see, 50 plus 10, 60 and 20 plus 40, 60. Both are equal. Clear? Now, I will explain you with the help of an example. See, question number 1. Fill the missing numbers. A part, 4,364 plus dash equal 4,364. Now see, 4,364 plus dash equal 4,364. हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमारा आंसर 4,364 आए. Means what we will add? We will add here 0. Yes. So right answer 4,364 plus 0 equal 4,364. Now B part. 9,999 plus 1 equals dash. See, this is the property. Second property. Clear? Means if we are adding 1 to any number, then what we will get? We will get the successor. So 9,999 plus 1 equals 10,000. So right here answer 9,999 plus 1 equals 10,000. Clear? Now C part. 7,264 plus dash equal 829 plus 7,264. In this question only the order is changed. So what we will write here? We will write here 829. Clear? So right answer 7264 plus 829 equals 829 plus 7264. Now D part. 922 plus 18 plus 100 equal dash plus 18 plus 100. Now see, 18 is also written. This 100 is also written. What the number is left? 922. So what we will write here? 922. So write here answer 922 plus 18 plus 100 equal 922 plus 18 plus 100. Clear? Now word problems on addition. Example number 1. In a tour, Mr. Swami spent rupees 1,45,315 on stay, rupees 8,635 on food and rupees 95,300 on shopping. How much did his tour cost him? Mr. Swami spent rupees 1,45,315 on stay, rupees 8,635 on food and rupees 95,300 on shopping. So how much did his tour cost him? So what we will do? We will do addition. But first of all, what we will do? We will write statement. See, answer. Amount spent on stay equals rupees 1,45,315. Amount spent on food equal rupees 8,635. Amount spent on shopping equal rupees 95,300. So, total amount spent on tour equal, what we will do? We will do addition. See, 5 plus 5, 10 plus 0, 10. So, write 0 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5 plus 0, 5. So, write 5 here. 3 plus 6, 9 plus 3, 12. Write 2 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 5, 6 plus 8, 14 plus 5, 19. So write 9 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14. Write 4 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2. So write 2 here. Therefore, the total amount spent on his tour is rupees 2,49,250. In this way, you will solve this question. First, you will write statements and then you will solve this question. Clear? Now, example number 2. A man owns 3 orchards, 26,719, 65,545 and 23,791 fruits are picked respectively from these orchards. Find the total number of fruits picked. Answer. First of all, what we will do? We will write statement. So write down. Number of fruits picked from first orchard equal 26,719. Number of fruits picked from second orchard equal 65,545. Number of fruits picked from third orchard equal 23,791. What we will do? We will do addition. So, total number of fruits picked equal, what we will do? We will do addition. 9 plus 5, 14 plus 1, 15. Write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 4, 6 plus 9, 15. Write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 7, 8 plus 5, 13 plus 7, 20. Write 0 here and 2 carry. 2 plus 6, 8. 8 plus 5, 13 plus 3, 16. Write 6 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. Write 11 here. Therefore, the total number of fruits picked equal 1,16,055. Therefore, the total number of fruits picked equal 1,16,055. Clear? Now, example number 3. Interchange the digits at lakhs place and thousands place of the number 3,15,435 and Find the sum of the original number and the new number. Answer. Original number equal 3,15,435. Now what we have to do? We have to interchange the digits at lakhs place and thousands place. See, ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. See, on lakhs place 3 is written and on thousands place 5 is written. We have to interchange these two digits. So after interchanging the digits at lakhs place and thousands place, the new number equal 5,13,435. Now what we have to do? We have to find the sum of these two numbers. So first of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. So write down 3,15,435 and second number 5,13,435. Now what we have to do? We have to do addition. See, 5 plus 5, 10, write 0 here and 1, carry 1 plus 3, 4 plus 3, 7, write 7 here, 4 plus 4, 8, write 8 here, 5 plus 3, 8, 1 plus 1, 2 and 3 plus 5, 8. So answer is 8,28,870. Clear? Now solve the following questions assigned as homework. Exercise 2B. Question number 1. Fill the missing number. A part 86,789 plus 0 equal dash. B part 99 plus 139 plus 1 equal dash. C part 310 plus bracket start 981 plus 309 bracket close equal bracket start 981 plus 309 bracket close plus dash. D part 1445 plus 2216 equal dash plus 1445. E part bracket start 165 plus 132 bracket close plus 105 equal 165 plus bracket start dash plus 105 bracket close. Clear? Now exercise 2C. Question number 2. 50,639 tourists visited Hyderabad in May, 74,230 in June and 95,736 in July. Find the total number of tourists that visited Hyderabad during these 3 months. Question number 5. In a school, the number of children appeared in exam in year 2011 were 25,186 and in year 2012 were 27,619. How many children appeared in both the years? Now, question number 6. A charitable trust collected rupees 1,50,680 from First Society and rupees 60,500 from Second Society. How much money did it collect in all? I repeat, a charitable trust collected rupees 1,50,680 from First Society and rupees 60,500 from Second Society. How much money did it collect in all? So these are the questions assigned as homework. Clear? Now I will discuss homework solutions of lecture number 1 of chapter number 2, addition. Now exercise 2A. Question number 1, add. B part 23,405 plus 42,402. Answer. First of all, what we will do? We will write these two numbers in columns. Write down 23,405. Now write second number 42,402. Now what we will do? We will do addition. 5 plus 2, 7. Write 7 here. 0 plus 0, 0. Write 0 here. 4 plus 4, 8. Write 8 here. 3 plus 2, 5. Write 5 here. 2 plus 4, 6. Write 6 here. So answer is 65,807. Clear? Now F part 63,141 plus 17,892 plus 13,477. Answer. First of all, what we will do? We will write these three numbers in columns. So write down 63,141. Now write second number 17,892. Now write third number 13,477. Now what we will do? We will do addition. 1 plus 2, 3 plus 7, 10. Write 0 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 4, 5 plus 9, 14 plus 7, 21. Write 1 here and 2. Carry 2 plus 1, 3 plus 8, 11 plus 4, 15. Write 5 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11 plus 3, 14. Write 4 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1, 9. Write 9 here. So answer is 94,510. Answer is 94,510. Clear? Now G part. 2,01,691 plus 4,43,103 plus 1,36,927. Answer. First of all, what we will do? We will write these three numbers in columns. So write down 2,01,691. Now write second number 4,43,103. Now write third number 1,36,927. Now what we will do? We will do addition. 1 plus 3, 4 and 4 plus 7, 11. Write 1 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 9, 10 plus 0, 10 plus 2, 12. Write 2 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 6, 7 plus 1, 8 plus 9, 17. Write 7 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 1, 2 plus 3, 5 and 5 plus 6, 11. Write 1 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 0, 1 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 8. Write 8 here. 2 plus 4, 6 plus 1, 7. Write 7 here. So answer is 7,81,721. Clear? Now question number 2. Find the missing digits. A part. See, first number 34-85. Second number 2-7-4. Now write third number. See, dash 489 dash. Answer 108302. See, 5 plus 4, 9. See, in this 9, what we will add? That answer is 12. हम 9 में क्या ऐड करें कि answer 12 आए? So what we will add? We will add 3. So write 3 here. 2 is written here. So write 1 in carry. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Now see, in 18, what we will add? That answer is 20. हम 18 में क्या ऐड करें कि answer 20 आए? So what we will add? We will add 2. So write 2 here. 0 is written here. So write 2 in carry. 2 plus 7, 9 plus 8, 17. Now see, in 17, what we will add? That answer is 23. हम 17 में क्या ऐड करें कि answer 23 आए? So what we will add? We will add 6. So write 6 here. 3 is written here and we will write 2 in carry. 2 plus 4, 6 and 6 plus 4, 10. In this 10, what we will add? That answer is 18. हम 10 में क्या ऐड करें कि answer 18 आए? So what we will write here? We will write here 8. 8 is written here. Now write 1 in carry. 1 plus 3, 4 plus 2, 6. Now in this 6, what we will add? That answer is 10. हम 6 में क्या ऐड करें कि answer 10 आए? But we will add 4. So write 4 here. So missing digits are this 6, 8, 2, 4, 3. In this way, we will solve this question. Clear? Now question number 3. Look at the key and solve the following question. Now see, this table is given, places are written and the shapes are given according to given places. A part, this question is given, write answer, first make a table. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000 and lakh. Why I have written lakh, I will tell you later on. Now see, count. On ones place, the square shape is given, so count 1, 2. So write 2 here. On tens place, triangle shape is given, count 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. On hundreds place, cloud shape is given, 1, 2. So write 2 here. On thousands place, star shape is given, count 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. On 10,000 place, this circle is given. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So write 7 here. Now second, see, on ones place square shape is given. So count 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. On tens place triangle shape is given. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. So write 4 here. On hundreds place cloud shape is given. Count 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. On thousands place star shape is given. Count 1, 2, 3. So write 3 here. Now on 10,000 place circle is given. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So write 5 here. Now what we will do? We will do addition. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 4, 8. 2 plus 3, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 7 plus 5, 12. So write 2 here and 1 on lakhs place. Clear? That's why I have written here lakhs place also. In this way, we will solve this question. Clear? Now, question number 4. Find the sum. A part 1,22,456 and 74,321. Answer. What we will do? First of all, we will write these two numbers in columns. Write down 1,22,456. Now write second number 74,321. Now what we will do? We will do addition. Add them. 6 plus 1, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 4, 6. 2 plus 7, 9. And write 1 as it is. So answer is 1,96,777. Clear? Now, D part. 2,43,567, 3,45,432 and 123. Answer. First of all, we will write these three numbers in columns. Write down 2,43,567. Now write second number 3,45,432. Now write third number 123. See beta, we will start writing this third number from last digit. Start writing here 3, then 2, then 1. Clear? Now we will add 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. Write 2 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 6, 7, plus 3, 10, plus 2, 12. Write 2 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 5, 6, plus 4, 10, plus 1, 11. Write 1 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 3, 4, plus 5, 9. Write 9 here. 4 plus 4, 8. Write 8 here. 2 plus 3, 5. Write 5 here. So answer is 5,89,122. Now question number 5. Find the sum of greatest 5-digit number and greatest 3-digit number. Answer. Greatest 5-digit number equal 99,999 and greatest 3-digit number equal 999. Now what we will do? We will do addition. But first of all, we will write these two numbers in column. So write down 99,999. Now write second number 999. Now solve them. 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19. Write 9 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 9, 10 plus 9, 19. Write 9 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 9, 10. Write 0 here and 1. Carry 1 plus 9, 10. Write 10 here. So what is the answer? Answer is 1,998. Answer is 1,998. Clear? Thank you. Have a nice day.